Hello guys, Katty is here. In this video we will create some beautiful and romantic cinematic videos that will include your lifestyle footage inserted into the human eye. For this we are not going to use a Photoshop, so you have to have a CapCut on your desktop. If you still don't have this application on your desktop, please use the link down below to download it. Also, this tutorial may be done with the phone application, but I'm going to use desktop, so that is why we are going to work on computer today. So if you're ready, launch your CapCut and let's do this. If you still didn't use CapCut desktop version, I will explain you how we are going to create a new project. Basically everything is simple, so you just need to launch CapCut on your desktop and push the button New Project. Here the main window of the document that we are going to work with, and our first step will be adding all files that we are going to work with. It will be the first video, the one that you're gonna place inside the eye, and the second video actually eye. If you don't have the video of your eye, you can easily get the video of someone else's eye, and I will show you now a quick source where you can get such type of video where actually I got this video. For this we need to open the browser and type freepik.com. Now you can see we are on the home page of Freepik, and we need to choose in Assets, Videos, and in search bar type the kind of video we are planning to find. Here you can see many different results, and our goal is to find super close footage of the eye. What is preferable, it shouldn't move, so it have to be some stable shot of the eye of the person. As soon you found your video, you click on it, and here will be the download button that you just need to click and download the video on your desktop. As you understood already, I prepared my video of the eye and my personal footage. Now all videos appear in the document, and we need to choose the first video, which will be the base of our future final result. It will be the video of the eye, so I just click on it and drag it on the play line. Here, be sure that you change the dimensions and set up the correct dimensions for the Instagram reel. Of course, if you would like to use the video in horizontal dimensions, these dimensions are good, but we are creating video for the Instagram, for reel section. That is why we need to change the ratio of the current video. For this, I will click on the ratio and choose 9:16. And to make whole video cover our new frame, I just click on the border with right mouse button and drag. Set up it somewhere in the center. And basically the first step of our future video is ready. Let's click play and see how it goes. It looks very beautiful, and I will really quickly choose the timeline that I would like to show up on the reel. To cut the clip, I need to select the clip and click this button split and delete the part that I don't need. Once again, let's play. Looks pretty nice. I will just click on the edge of the clip and drag it with right mouse button to set up very short timeline for this clip. And the next most interesting part is started. Let's use our second video that we are going to place inside the eye of the person. That is why I just click on this video and drag it right off the top of the main clip. Also here I will find the time I would like to show in the eye. To trim the clip, just select the clip and push this little icon to cut the needed part. Select the clip and drag it on the beginning, just over top of our eye. We need to fit the clip inside the eyeball, but in the way that it looks organically and as much as possible naturally. I will just trim it. Change the opacity of the selected clip so I could see the eye behind it, and place the picture right into the eye. I will just increase a bit the eye video behind and place it a bit better. And come back the opacity to 100%. Wish we could leave everything like this, but now our next step will be changing the transparency of the current clip, but not by the opacity, by blending mode. For this, in the section of the mode, click on the normal, and let's play a bit with different modes and understand which one plays the best. I think this one looks really nice. And the last step, to set up everything correctly and get rid of not needed part around the eyeball, we will go into the mask section and choose circle mask. Drag by the borders to increase the mask and click on the edge to stretch the circle. We need a bit blur the mask on the edges. For this we will choose feather slider and just push it. Click somewhere on the play track just to deselect the main clip that we could see how it goes. I still can see that some of the parts are missing the actual eyeball. That is why I will decrease a bit the mask by selecting the mask and decreasing it. And let's play it once again. And it looks very nice, just a bit here, a touch. And the last step will be decreasing the opacity of our main clip inside the eye. For this, just go into the basic section once again and decrease the opacity to maybe 80%. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If you would like to reach even more realism with this clip, we need to select clip once again, decrease the opacity, then press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to create a duplicate layer of the same clip and increase the opacity. Choose mask and just make the mask a little bit less, maybe with more feather. That will create a focus exactly in the center, which will looks very bright and vivid. And the other edge parts will look more transparent and will give us more realistic results. And that's it. Only in few minutes we created a very beautiful and cinematic video by placing real lifestyle footage in the person eye, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know with your thumbs up and your subscription on my channel. I hope to see you very soon in the new editing tutorial, so stay in touch. Bye bye!